What do you think of when you think of a print-on-demand store and the types of products that it sells? T-shirts, sweaters, hoodies, maybe hats? I'm guessing common everyday apparel for the most part. Print-on-demand has certainly expanded over the years, and you can now sell much more than just apparel. Let's have a look at 10 different products that you can sell using Printful that aren't standard articles of clothing. Now, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the eStoreKings YouTube channel for more print-on-demand product ideas as well as Printful tutorials. And if you're new to the world of print-on-demand and Printful products, check out our What is Printful video to learn more. First up on our list are pet ID tags. According to commonthreadco.com, the pet industry is on track to be a $350 billion industry by the year 2027. Thanks to the recent boom in pet ownership throughout the pandemic, total pet revenue growth has increased by 63% since COVID-19. Add these custom engraved pet tags to your online store and cater to shoppers in this thriving industry. Next up, we have postcards. Design and sell your very own custom-made postcards. You can brand them with your logo and company colors, or add your own artwork and sell creative-looking postcards. Face masks. Printful offers all-over print face masks that you can easily add to your online store. According to GlobeNewsWire.com, the face mask market is set to surpass $21 billion by the year 2026. So it's no surprise that many stores, no matter what they're selling, have started adding face masks to their catalog. So why not add them to yours? Next up, we have stickers. Self-expression is important, and that's why consumers spend a good chunk of their paycheck on things that help them express their personality as well as their individual style. Stickers are just another way that people can express themselves and customize their belongings. Engraved touch tools. Your customers can open doors, pull objects, and push buttons with an engraved touch tool. These little gadgets have become popular throughout the pandemic, as you can complete small tasks without having to touch commonly used surfaces. Add your company logo or add a quote to make this Printful product unique. Mugs. Of course, mugs made our list. Mugs are very popular print-on-demand products, and they never seem to go out of style. Wall art. With Printful, you can add your designs and artwork to posters, framed posters, and canvas. Custom home decor is all the rage right now, and consumers are looking to shop outside of their usual big box stores for decorative wall art. Aprons. Customers are constantly shopping online to purchase gifts for the people in their lives. These aprons, complete with custom embroidery and handy pockets, are a great gift and the perfect addition to your online store. Jewelry. No matter what your customer's personal style is, they can express it through custom engraved jewelry. Bracelets, necklaces, and earrings are all products that you can customize and sell using Printful. Phone cases. Again, the name of the game is customization and self-expression. Add your custom designs to a number of different phone cases and let your customers choose their favorite style. And that is it for our list. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like, and be sure to subscribe to the eStoreKings YouTube channel to learn more about how you can grow your online business.